A giant takes flight, the C-5 Galaxy. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is a sight to behold. This massive aircraft, designed by Lockheed, is a true marvel of engineering and aviation. This colossal aircraft dominates the skies with its sheer size and power. Its presence is unmistakable, and its capabilities are unparalleled. It is one of the largest military transport aircraft ever built. Standing next to other aircraft, its immense size becomes even more apparent. The C-5 Galaxy plays a crucial role in transporting troops, equipment, and supplies for the United States Air Force. Whether it's moving soldiers to a new location or delivering essential equipment, the C-5 is always ready for the task. Its ability to carry immense payloads across vast distances makes it an indispensable asset for global military operations. The C-5 can reach any corner of the world, ensuring that the U.S. military remains well supplied and ready for action. The C-5 Galaxy can carry more cargo than any other aircraft in the U.S. Air Force inventory. Its cargo hold is a cavernous space, capable of holding everything from helicopters to tanks. It has a wingspan wider than a football field and stands taller than a six-story building. This incredible size allows it to transport oversized cargo that other aircraft simply cannot handle. The aircraft's cargo hold is longer than a Boeing 737, allowing it to accommodate a wide range of military vehicles and equipment. This versatility makes it a key component in military logistics. Its impressive capabilities have earned it the nickname the workhorse of the military. The C-5 Galaxy is not just an aircraft, it's a symbol of strength, reliability, and the ability to overcome any logistical challenge. Birth of an icon, design, and early years. The C-5 Galaxy's origins can be traced back to the early 1960s. The United States Air Force recognized the need for a new strategic airlifter. This new airlifter would need to transport large payloads over intercontinental distances. Lockheed Corporation won the contract to design and build this ambitious aircraft. The design phase presented numerous engineering challenges. Engineers had to develop new technologies and materials to handle the aircraft's immense size and weight. After years of development, the first C-5 Galaxy took flight in 1968. The aircraft officially entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 1970. It quickly became a cornerstone of American military airlift capabilities. Inside the beast structure and layout. The C-5 Galaxy features a distinctive design, with a high-mounted wing and a distinctive T-tail. This unique configuration not only gives the aircraft its recognizable silhouette, but also contributes to its impressive aerodynamic performance. Its fuselage is divided into two decks, an upper deck for the cockpit, crew rest area, and some passenger seating, and a massive lower deck for cargo. The upper deck is designed to ensure that the crew and passengers have a comfortable and functional space during long missions. The upper deck can accommodate up to 75 passengers, providing ample seating for personnel who may need to be transported along with the cargo. This dual-purpose design enhances the aircraft's versatility. While the lower deck can hold 6 Greyhound buses or over 100,000 pounds of cargo. This immense capacity allows the C-5 Galaxy to transport a wide variety of oversized and heavy items, making it a critical asset for military logistics. The cargo hold has a system of ramps and doors that allow for easy loading and unloading of cargo. These ramps are designed to handle heavy loads and can be adjusted to different heights, facilitating the loading process. The aircraft can be loaded from both the front and rear, which speeds up the process. This dual loading capability is particularly useful in time-sensitive operations where every minute counts. The cargo floor is equipped with rollers and tie-down points to secure cargo during flight. These features ensure that even the heaviest and most awkwardly shaped items remain stable and safe throughout the journey. The C-5 Galaxy's spacious interior and versatile cargo handling system make it ideal for transporting a wide range of military equipment, from helicopters to tanks. Its ability to carry such diverse loads makes it an indispensable tool for military operations around the world, providing unmatched logistical support. Loading the behemoth cargo operations. Loading and unloading the C-5 Galaxy is a carefully choreographed operation. The aircraft's design features make the process efficient despite the sheer volume of cargo. The C-5 can be loaded from both the front and rear simultaneously. This reduces loading times significantly. The nose of the aircraft can open upwards, revealing a ramp that allows vehicles to drive directly into the cargo hold. The aircraft's tail also opens, providing access to the cargo hold from the rear. This allows for the loading of long pieces of equipment such as bridge sections or helicopters. Powering the giant engines and fuel. 4 massive turbofan engines power the C-5 Galaxy, These engines generate an incredible amount of thrust, allowing the aircraft to take off and fly with heavy loads. The C-5's fuel capacity is equally impressive. It can carry over 50,000 gallons of fuel. This gives it a range of thousands of miles. To extend its range even further, the C-5 Galaxy is equipped for aerial refueling. This involves receiving fuel from a tanker aircraft while in flight. Aerial refueling allows the C-5 to stay airborne for extended periods. This is crucial for long-distance missions, or when operating in areas where landing is not feasible. Soft touchdown landing gear and maneuverability. Landing such a massive aircraft safely requires a robust landing gear system. The C-5 Galaxy has a unique landing gear system with 28 wheels. This distributes the aircraft's weight evenly upon touchdown. The landing gear is designed to handle a variety of landing surfaces, including rough airfields. The C-5 Galaxy's maneuverability is surprisingly good for an aircraft of its size. It can turn within a relatively tight radius. This is thanks to its powerful engines and a sophisticated control system. The aircraft's ability to operate from shorter runways than other cargo aircraft of its size makes it incredibly versatile. It can land at more airfields around the world. A legacy of strength, the C-5's enduring impact. The C-5 Galaxy has been a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's airlift capabilities for over 5 decades. Since its introduction in the late 1960s, this massive aircraft has revolutionized the way the military transports heavy and oversized cargo. Its ability to transport vast amounts of cargo over long distances has proven invaluable in countless military and humanitarian operations. The C-5 can carry everything from helicopters and tanks to relief supplies and medical equipment, making it an essential tool in both war and peace. The C-5 has played a critical role in transporting troops and equipment during conflicts. Whether it's deploying forces to a combat zone or bringing them back home, the C-5 ensures that the military can respond quickly and effectively to any situation. It has also been instrumental in delivering humanitarian aid following natural disasters. From earthquakes to hurricanes, the C-5 has been there to provide much-needed relief, showcasing its versatility and reliability. The C-5 Galaxy's enduring legacy is a testament to its innovative design and the skill of the engineers and crews who operate and maintain it. The aircraft's unique features, such as its nose that can be raised to allow for drive-on/drive-off loading, highlight the ingenuity behind its creation. Even after decades of service, the C-5 remains a vital asset for the U.S. military. Continuous upgrades and maintenance have kept it at the forefront of airlift technology, ensuring that it can meet the demands of modern missions. Its ability to project American power and provide humanitarian assistance around the world ensures that the Galaxy will continue to be a familiar sight in the skies for many years to come. The C-5 Galaxy stands as a symbol of strength, resilience, and the enduring spirit of the U.S. Air Force.